Hello everyone, welcome back once again. In this lecture, I'm going to teach you how you can work with the shape tool perfectly and Corel Draw. So let's get started. Alright, so this is where the shape tool is. Let me just zoom for you to see very well. Wow, this is it. The second icon. And I told you that anytime you see an icon with this arrow, it means that there are additional things there or babies. I call them babies. All right, so when we click on it, you see that we have several babies under the shape, which is the smooth, the smear, the twirl, the attract, repel, small, and then the roughing. So all of them are necessary when you are using the shape tool, but in this case we are going to work with the overall bust, which is the shape tool. All right, so in our previous lecture we're able to use it to curve this right here, but then in this case we are not going to do that. All right, we are not, because it will only allow you to use it for just some purpose alone. All right, so have you seen that? When you want to curve, you can only curve this, and you can't just bring anything in or out. You can't do your own customization when you want to. It is just something that they have given you, and it is limited. And as a graphic designer, you have to bring your own ideas, not just using the default things right here. All right, so this is what we are going to do. Before you can be able to do that, customize the shape anyhow you want, you have to right click on it and convert to curves. Look at it, convert to curves. I like using shortcuts a little, but for your sake we'll do it this way. So Control Q, if you are a fan of shortcuts, you can just do that. Control Q, then you can do it, or you right click, come to convert to curves. So it has been converted to curves already. So let me just undo again, go back. Then when you come to the top here, you see the same thing, so you don't have to right click and go to curves again. All right, so you just click on it and it has been converted already. So now that we want to shape this, you can shape it anyhow we want. So come here, click on the shape tool, then look at it. I can just click and then move this one in now, maybe somewhere here. Something very nice. So maybe I want to design something like this, so I'm just bringing it right here, and then maybe this one to here, and I just have something like this. I hope that is clear. All right, so I would like to show you certain things again. Come to the shape again and then click here. Now you see some icons here. This is the curve way, so it is telling you that when you click on it and then come just here and click, everything that you move there will be curved, a smooth curve. So let me just double click on it for you to see. Have you seen how smooth it is? Now I can click on it, the icon right here, and then bring it to the top, and then it is just like a curve. All right, so look at it. I can move the curve depending on what I need. So that is basically how it is. So you can click, double click on it to cut it some, and then just come here, move this one in a bit. Now when I want to curve this side, I'll click once, just come to curves here, and then I can move it. Have you seen how it is? Now what if I have this here and then I don't want this split to be curved? I just have to click on it, come to the convert to line here, then it will be converted to line. I just have to drag it to this side, and then I have my thing done perfectly. Now you use the zoom and then get what I'm doing very well. I hope that is clear. So when I want to remove the white outline, I just have to come here, right click on the cross sign here, and then it is gone. Right click again, I don't have any outline with them. I hope that is clear. So the shape tool, that is how it is. So just remember that when you want to do anything, let's say I have the shape here and I want to just curve it myself, I have to convert it to curve first. Right click and convert to curve. Now you can take your shape tool just do anything you want. Okay, just double click and then move it. All right, anything you want to do, you can just do it yourself. And when I want this to be curved, I'll come here and then click on it. Then you see that it is curved. All right, so mostly we use this to design logos, and then you can use to remove background of images as well. See you in the next lecture.